Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast with Bella. I hope you all are fine and good. First of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas for girls and women both. So basically viewers, this channel is created for those people who have craze of hair fashion. Don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel. I work so hard for you with honestly for you guys. Keep watching my videos and keep supporting me till the end. So let's start our today topic. So friends, my today content is about butterfly haircut. Do you know about what is butterfly haircut? So I am hearing to telling about you what is a butterfly haircut. A butterfly haircut is a style that gives the illusion of short hair. It is defined by shorter layers cut around the crown of the head so that the rest of the hair can be separated and pinned under. This butterfly term was coined by celebrity hair stylist Sunny Brock. So this hairstyle is the latest style of 2022. This hairstyle is coined by famous celebrity. So let's talk about some important points on butterfly haircut. The butterfly haircut is great for anyone who wants to create the illusion of fuller, healthier hair without sacrificing length. It creates volume and shape while removing damage from every level, says hairstylist Ashley Lane, a hairstylist with a specialist in curly texture hair at Ashley in Charlotte, North Carolina. So anyone can try this look, but our experts agrees that it works best for those with naturally dense or curly hair. There are so many layers, you need full density to get the full effect, explained diameter. Fine hair may look stringly. If you want this cut but your hair is on the finer side, just talk on your favorite texturizing spray. Allure suggests the best of beauty winning Verb Volume Dry Texture Spray or Christine is Dry Finish Working Texture Spray. So guys, I hope you enjoy my today content. So let's start some more points and discuss about the butterfly haircut. So we already have heard that hairstyle name after sea creatures, jellyfish haircut and home furnishings, curtain bangs. Now we are moving on to winged creatures, coined the butterfly haircut. It's all the rage in salon these days and it's surprisingly wearable. The versatile, voluminous look was coined by celeb hairstylist Sunny Brock. It's gained popularity because it allows clients to grow their shorter strands out into longer layers while also having the option to tuck parts underneath and wear it short. I know that this question is in your mind that the butterfly cut good for thin hair. So the answer is here that anyone can try this look, but our experts agree that it works best for those with naturally dense and or curly hairs. So there are so many layers, you need full density to get the full effect, explains that meter. Fine hair may look stringly, so it's butterfly hairstyle look on those people who have curly hairs and who have, and also for those people who have naturally dense hairs. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it at the end. If you love my today content, and then do share it with your family members and friends as well as also. So friends, I work so hard for you with honestly for you guys, so it's my right to get a good reviews from you. Dear friends, I hope my today content is become very helpful for you, and keep subscribing my channel and thumbs up and share it with your friends.